Welcome to Interra Systems, a leading content verification, monitoring, and analysis solution provider for checking and assuring the integrity of 4K, UHD, HEVC, HDR, DPX, and IMF content. In this video, we shall see how ORION-OTT can fit into your work environment and can help you deliver ABR content, both live and VOD, with superior quality of service, QoS, and quality of experience, QoE. Until a few years ago, consumers watched TV programs that were delivered through dedicated and controlled networks. The content was aggregated and was delivered through cable or satellite on their set-top box on the consumer side. Now, since the customers mostly watch content over internet, an unmanaged network, and on the device of their choice as per their convenient time, therefore OTT service and equipment and content delivery networks, CDN providers, need to deliver the content as per the customer's requirement, on demand and in the resolution supported by the playing device. In such an aggressive industry, where content needs to be delivered over unmanaged networks with varying speeds and on multi-screens, smooth streaming and delivery of quality over-the-top content is a real challenge. If the quality of the video is poor or video is interrupted, the customer is going to abandon the services and seek alternatives. To be competitive enough, OTT service and equipment and content delivery networks, CDN providers, need to deliver the content with superior QoS and QoE. Interra's ORION-OTT is a software-based, over-the-top content monitoring solution for checking content integrity and related network performance for multi-screen delivery of ABR content. ORION-OTT's 24/7 proactive monitoring enables OTT service and equipment providers, content delivery networks, CDN providers, to seamlessly deliver both VOD and live content with superior QoS and QoE. You can deploy ORION-OTT at various monitoring touchpoints in an OTT workflow. These touchpoints are the origin server, edge cache servers in a CDN, and edge of the network. ORION-OTT majorly performs all the media integrity checks at origin server. At this level, the monitoring probes are connected to an origin server over a LAN. Therefore, at this point, network performance monitoring is not crucial. To serve a large number of clients over different geographic locations, the cache edge servers replicate all the content from the origin servers to CDN. Therefore, at this point, ORION-OTT performs all media integrity checks to ensure that the content has been properly replicated. Some level of network performance monitoring is also performed at this point. Since the network performance for a client depends on the type of last-mile connectivity the client has and viewing experience largely gets affected by network performance monitoring becomes very crucial at the edge of the network. ORION-OTT proactively monitors network performance at this point to ensure smooth streaming at the user's end. In the workflow, for live services in particular, you can have ORION, which is an advanced real-time content monitoring system for EBP monitoring. Live services, the input source, can be monitored using ORION, and the output can be monitored by ORION-OTT. The results at the 2 points can be compared using OCM. This enables service providers to deliver error-free, superior quality video. With ORION and ORION-OTT, you have solid tools at your disposal to monitor all your content and deliver error-free video. Having understood how ORION-OTT performs different types of monitoring at various touch points in CDN, let's now see the key monitoring operations that you can perform with ORION-OTT in the CDN. ORION-OTT enables you to perform content-level monitoring for HSS, HLS, and MPEG- content within the ABR package at the server level. It monitors each and every chunk with varied bit rates within the ABR package. For package integrity, ORION-OTT provides an extensive set of tests for URL validation and manifest validation for HLS MPEG- smooth streaming. For ABR compliance, ORION-OTT checks for start time and duration consistency across segments, segment metadata mismatch, bandwidth consistency, and checks if the first frame is a key frame. To maintain that the quality of the content delivered to customer is superior with industry-proven audio-video quality analysis technologies, ORION-OTT performs various quality checks for video quality, such as blockiness, black frames, freeze frames, and more, and checks for audio quality for audio loudness, calm ITU-EBU, audio level, and audio silence. With ORION-OTT, you can also perform conformance checks and checks for closed caption and subtitles. To ensure the smooth delivery of the OTT content, ORION-OTT proactively monitors the server or network performance for download delays and buffering or stalling issues while accessing assets in an OTT service. It also monitors the origin server performance and monitors logging of HTTP requests and responses for HTTP failures, request-response delays. This helps to fix the issues before it impacts the viewing experience of the viewers. With ORION-OTT, you can also perform load testing of origin server using client simulations. Not only this, ORION-OTT supports the monitoring of DRM-protected content. ORION-OTT fetches content keys from the license server and decrypts content using the encryption algorithms supported in all major DRMs. ORION-OTT supports all the encryption schemes used by the major DRM systems. ORION-OTT has an intuitive web-based interface that allows remote monitoring through any browser-enabled device, giving users a comprehensive monitoring and reporting tool on tap. In addition, ORION-OTT gives you the option of setting automated and manual schedules for monitoring, which in turn allows you to do monitoring as per the desired plan. With ORION-OTT, you can view a high-level monitoring summary of all VOD assets and live services that have been registered and monitored at least once. You can even drill down to the content-specific page to monitor each and every segment of the VOD or live asset. To keep you updated all the time about any network performance or quality issues, ORION-OTT sends real-time alerts and triggers through its unique alerting mechanism, such as email, SNMP alerts, etc. This allows you to take timely action and deliver best quality of service to the customers. In addition to the live alerts and triggers, ORION-OTT provides reports for historical alerts and trend analysis. ORION-OTT maintains alerts and data for all tests run over the last 60 days and provides rich reports to enable you to drill down from high level to specific details of errors and take corrective actions. In this way, you can use the data analytics to examine historical trends and determine your plan of action for future reference and improvement. ORION-OTT supports all major audio, video wrapper formats and formats for embedded data. In the table, you can view formats and protocols supported by ORION-OTT. ORION-OTT has an easy-to-set-up, scalable architecture with two main components: ORION-OTT Manager and OTT Monitors. ORION-OTT Manager is the central component of ORION-OTT and coordinates with the various functions of OTT Monitors. The OTT Monitor units are responsible for real-time monitoring and reporting. The scalable architecture of ORION-OTT gives you flexibility to have one or more OTT monitors depending on the volume of content to be monitored. To summarize, Interra's ORION-OTT is a software-based, over-the-top content monitoring solution for checking content integrity and related network performance for multi-screen delivery of ABR content. ORION-OTT proactively monitors live and VOD OTT services, checks for audio-video quality, helps debug origin server performance-related issues, monitors DRM-protected content, provides real-time alarms for quick on-the-go decision-making, has intuitive interface, accessible on any web-enabled devices, provides rich historical reports and trends analysis, helps analyze alert trends for corrective actions, has wide format support, has easy-to-set-up scalable architecture, increase or decrease number of OTT monitor units depending on the volume of content to be monitored. Thank you for watching the video. In case of any further assistance, please contact us at orion_support@interrasystems.com.